wanted to share something with you. We just opened up a brand new program called Lead Lightning. It's part of Power Lead System, and I tried to join directly from my link and it didn't let me, so I do have a runaround for that. You know, you can do that if you're brand new, you've never done it, and it's right here. But what I did, and you can do this too, is I created a new email account. It's mail.com, not Gmail. And the reason why I did that is I wanted a new email I would be able to use, like this right here. So I'm going to copy that, and I actually have my inside page ready to go. So I'm going to actually join it, and I didn't want to watch the video. I don't need to watch that again. But this is the actual sales page for the Lead Lightning, and it's from my own page that I created. And so I'm going to get started right here because I'm going to show you exactly what it is. So I'm going to buy it now with a different card also, and they're telling you that it's worth $97 and you're only going to get it for so I am going to put my name in there, but it's Lynda and I'm going to put Cromar, and then I'm going to put the email in here that I just created, which is mail.com, and then I'm going to continue. And it shows that I was referred by Lynda Cromar, so it's doing the right thing. So I want that. I'm going to click this, and then I'm going to continue. So now I have that, and you can or don't have to fill out all of this information. I'm not going to because this is really myself. And I'm buying it because I want to show you the inside. So I'm going to just continue. Oh, it's going to make you. Okay. Well, you can put fake stuff in here if you want to, because this is just you doing it. So it's only, you know, this is not a bad thing to do. You're only doing it. You're not doing it because you're stacking it. You're doing it because you want to see it. And that's what I'm doing. And also that I want to show you the back office in detail. So here we are. It's asking for my card. And I'm going to pause while I put in this info. Okay, I have now moved through the credit card screen, and I purposely did not put it on here because I'm not going to offer you
before you complete your order.
My personal information. And of course,
you a chance to make
this is
a staggering 7 times increase in the money for the exact same effort. Now just give me a moment. And I'll show you how to make $5,000 to $10,000 in monthly residual income with Lead Lightning. And this can happen very
That is actually a good deal.
very quickly, thanks to a very unique feature.
Okay. I went through 2 videos, and I do actually recommend that you go through and look at those, but you will notice now that it has given me a page to show me how to get started with this business, which is the link, a username, and a password, which you can change once you're inside. And then let me also show you that very likely there should be, at this point, if not now, in a few minutes, there should be also an email in here. So it hasn't shown up yet, but let's go ahead and look at this link. And I also want to copy and paste the username, which it put in here, so that you can see the whole back office exactly as it is going to present it. And if you did pass up those things, that's too bad, because they are really making me some money and they're really cool. So you get this login, which you're going to change now. This is showing my regular login that I usually get, and of course I'm not going to want to go into that login because that is the regular PLS. And this is going to show the login for our Lead Lightning login, and it's different than the PLS login because it's going to only show the back office of Lead Lightning. So I'm going to save that also so I don't have to go find it again. Now it's showing me that I am in, and again I'm going to look just to see. It should have showed a password, but it didn't, so it's a good thing I went this way. So I saved that, and I'm also going to keep that page. As you can see, it's still open, that shows that information. Is a good idea to print it or save it somewhere so you don't lose it. So the very first thing, you're going to end up on the quick start, which is what this tab is right now that you're on. And it also shows the person that let you come into this program, which is myself. So let's see how it says to get. So you get your account information, you get a My Money thing, and you can actually get to see your buyers list, which of course you don't have anybody in here yet because we just got this program up. You don't have to do anything but just share your link. So the promotional tools, they're all going to be probably right here. See, it even gives you some special swipe copy and ways that you can sell this program. Pretty cool. This is also in the main list. And then if you want to see your actual contacts, you have a full contact database just like I do. Of course, it doesn't show anybody yet because we haven't done anything. And then it shows the training area and what's available. And then, of course, it shows the upgrade page. And this is where you can get to the full PLS system right here. And so if you want to upgrade, it actually gives it to you right here. It actually gives you silver or gold again that you can upgrade. And this is really cool. You can come back to the upgrade when you're ready, when you've gotten some leads. And also, once you have some leads, you can actually send them emails. So one of the things that you're going to want to do is, here's how you send system emails. Also, you can go in and do other things with them. This has still got a lot of tools available to you, and I think it's pretty cool. So here you go. This is what Lead Lightning looks like. And so the very first thing you're going to want to do is go over here to the Quick Start folder. It has a very simple Getting Started button right here, and that's all you do is click this button and get going. And of course, the link is right under this video on how to get this from me. So, welcome to the team.